Hello everyone. It is my favorite time of the year. It is Krissyanne Designs Celebration Collection release. All right, welcome back everyone. I am Julie over here at Julie's Plans. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the brand new Krissyanne Designs Celebration Collection for 2021. Now, this collection launches today, January 22nd at 12 noon, and I was lucky enough to get a chance to preview and share this brand new collection with you so that you could get a chance to take a closer look at it before you go ahead and place your order. So I am no stranger to the Krissyanne Celebration Collection. I have had at least a few of the past few years. I think I missed out on 1 year. I'm still super salty about it, but I'm not going to beat myself up too much. But these are definitely a favorite of mine to use in my planning style and has been for several years. I believe this is the very first one. It's like super nostalgic looking at this one because it's the first one. And it's so pretty and it's gorgeous and everything. Let's talk about a few things with this collection. So as I said, it launches today at 12 noon Central Time. Kristen is offering the first 150 customers a fast pass. So what does that mean? Basically, it means your order is going to ship before everyone else's. So instead of taking the estimated, I believe it was 4 to 6 weeks to ship, you're going to get your order in 5 to 7 days if you are one of the first 150 people to order your Celebrations collection. But that is not all. Kristen has offered each of us that are taking a sneak peek look at the Celebrations collection a coupon code, and with that coupon code, you will get your very own Planner Steve keychain. With my particular code, it's the Planner Steve. With someone else's code, it might be a different keychain. So if you use my code, Julie's Plans, isn't he adorable? You will get this specific keychain, and the other content creators out there will share what their code is and what their corresponding Steve keychain is. I might be a little bit biased, but this one is definitely my favorite. The thing that you're definitely going to want to make sure though is that you put the code in the coupon section of your order, not in the notes section. Now, as I said, the Celebrations collection does go on sale today, January 22nd, but it is only on sale through the 26th of January. If you are even considering ordering this binder, you should just go ahead and do it, because let me tell you something, every single year they sell out, and once it is gone, that is it. You're not going to have another chance to get the Celebrations collection. So how much does this cost? The Celebrations collection costs $129 plus shipping. However, the value is $196. I personally think there's a little bit more value there simply because there's a lot of exclusive items in here. And like I said, once it is sold out, it is sold out. So this is not something that is always going to be available. So this truly is an exclusive limited edition item from Krissyanne Designs. All right, so let's open up this binder and I'll get you guys in a little bit closer so that you can see things up close. One of the things that I love is that this year Krissyanne Designs included 2 additional sheets but kept the price the same, which I think is so awesome for them to do for us. So let's start with the first sheet. The first sheet is the exclusive Celebrate Your Life sampler. I love this. This is actually in the current one as well, like the Celebrations collection. I need to put this on my planner for this week. Here is that sticker right there, but you'll have one for the corresponding year as well. And you have a couple of other Celebrate stickers like for 2021, 2022, a bunch of birthday stickers, Celebrate stickers, and I absolutely love the font that is used on here. And of course, you're going to see a lot of lettering and drawing from one of my favorite people in the planner community, and that is Cindy over at Llama Letters. All right, the next sheet is the Celebration Doodles. Again, just more awesome doodles with some lettering thrown in there for all of the different things that you can celebrate. There's even one for just some stickers, more of this, some weather doodles. I voted, love that one. Celebrate beautiful things. I love the graduation cap. I'll definitely be using that this year. My youngest graduates from high school, and exciting and emotional. So Okay, I also love this one a lot. It is a box of with the Celebrations Collection binder inside of it. That is super cool. I'm probably going to go ahead and mark that for yesterday because that is when mine did arrive. All right, the next sheet is Celebrate with Steve. Steve is one of my favorite doodles of all time that Krissyanne Designs has had, and you can see that there's just a Steve for just about every different holiday celebration throughout the year. I love the one that says yay. That's like me 24/7. Yay! The Halloween one, that one's also super cute. I love that one. Next up is the Celebrate Every Day sheet. So this just has more of your like traditional holidays. So Happy New Year, Happy Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, and so on. And then it has all of the hello and whatever corresponding months. I love to put these on the first of the month on my weekly spreads. And the next several sheets are going to be your dated holidays. And recently Krissyanne Designs changed how this sheet looked, which made it so much more functional to use. She will actually tell you which months they correspond with. So this is actually all the ones for the months for January through December. So for example, January is National Hobby Month, February is Black History Month, April is Black Women's History Month, Lawn and Garden Month as well. I had no idea. And then when you move on to the actual days of each month, you'll see an actual date with the arrow corresponding to whatever the event is, so that you're not kind of guessing where these dates belong in your planner spread. And you guys already know that just a couple of days ago was my favorite day ever, which is Cheese Lovers Day. Definitely my favorite. I love this one too. Get to know your customers day, bubble wrap appreciation day. I mean, who doesn't appreciate bubble wrap? That's like the best thing ever. Great way to reduce stress. Oh, thank a mail carrier day. I definitely think they need a lot of thanks after the last year that we've had. National Bagel Day, and then each page will go on for each month. I absolutely love these. I actually use these quite a bit in this past year. I think I might have skipped April. Y'all, it was a crazy year, right? So I definitely got a lot of use out of those pages in my planner. They're just so cute in your spread, and I love how the colors are definitely a little bit more muted this year. Ooh, there's National Puppy Day. I'll have to remind myself that that doesn't mean National Go Get a Puppy Day, because I would probably go get a puppy. And I just really love like all of the different variations of the lettering on each page. It is just so cute, and it'll look good in any planner spread, whether you're stickering up your pages from top to bottom, or if you're more of a pen and paper person. These aren't really going to like take over the space in your planner, which is really, really nice. There's the 8th sheet, the 9th sheet. And again, I love the different colors, how they're not, ooh, Guacamole Day. I'm very distracted. I love how there's also a National Coffee Day, Pepperoni Pizza Day. Really, really cool. I love these so much. Oh, there's also a Cappuccino Day. I obviously really, really like the food days more than anything else. And I also love that Kristen included some very inclusive holidays as well, such as National Coming Out Day, World Mental Health Day, things like that. I think that just is really awesome and just speaks to how much Kristen and the rest of her team care about our community as a whole. All right, and then here is the very last page of all of those dated holidays, and then at the bottom I love that she gives you a little bit more of the celebrate and let's celebrate stickers down at the bottom. One of my favorite things about the Krissyanne Designs Celebrations Collections binder is that they include 10 sticker sheets for different holidays throughout the year. So here is the winter one, or the Hello Winter. Another thing that I love is that you can actually order the add-ons for some of these kits. So if you wanted like the matching half boxes or more of the event labels and things like that, throughout the year, those add-ons will be available later for you. But this is great. I mean, you could do a whole week just with this kit, and probably more if you're more of a minimalist type of planner. The next one is the Hello Spring sheet. I really like this one, even though there's some peach on here. It is so, so pretty. I love the purples and the pinks, and again, just more of that sort of muted color overall. Next is the Hello Summer. I love this one. These are like some of all of my favorite colors, especially this more of like a teal color right here. It's coming up a little bit brighter through my camera, but it's really, really pretty. And like I said, you get everything that you need. You get some full boxes that are decorative, some half boxes, some quarter boxes and appointment labels, and lots of decorative stickers, along with even a weekend sticker and some washi strips for you as well. Next is the Hello Fall. This might actually be my favorite. I love all of these colors, the mint with this sort of slate blue and the very, very light orange. I know it looks peach, but it is a very light, beautiful orange. It is just so cute. And I just, again, love all of these little doodles on the sheet. So, so pretty. Then you have the Happy Birthday sheet. Again, just another really cute sticker sheet. Next up is the Happy Valentine's Day sheet. Super cute. I love all of the lettering here. Just so well done. And again, you can go back to the beginning and see how you will find things that are going to coordinate with the sheet. So for example, with the Happy Valentine's Day one, you can find the coordinating Steve right here that matches that kit, and everything just works so well. And there are actually several sheets that would match. Actually, that's not that one, it's that one. But this would match. So you actually have more than just what's on this sheet. You're going to go back to the beginning and you'll see that you have this one that matches the Valentine's Day, that one right there, and then you'll have a Hello February that matches and a Happy Valentine's Day sticker. So you're actually getting more than just this sheet. There's things that coordinate from the very beginning with the kits back here. Next up is the Happy St. Patrick's Day sheet. I actually really like this one. A lot of sheets for St. Patrick's Day are just like showered in green, and Kristen has included a lot of other beautiful colors here that just make it like that non-traditional holiday sticker sheet, and I'm just all for it. I love these colors so much. Next up is the Happy Halloween kit, another one that I love because it's not just black and orange. I love the pinks and the purples that are included, and of course all of these really adorable doodles. Then we have the Happy Thanksgiving kit, another one that I love that is not your traditional Thanksgiving colors. I'm loving all of the plums and purples and that beautiful blue color, just really, really nice. And then last but certainly not least, you have the Happy New Year sheet. I love that the sheets are not the traditional colors. Like for a lot of New Year's kits, you'll see a lot of black and white and gold and a lot of glitter. And I really like the purples and just the deep plum colors in this sheet. One of my favorite sheets that's included in the Celebrations collections is always the functional sampler at the back. I love this. You can use this pretty much with any of the other corresponding sheets. So if you just want to add a little something extra to some of the other kits that are included, then you can certainly do that. I think that these are great for notes pages in your planner as well. And of course, I love all these, but for stickers and let's celebrate. I mean, this book is all about celebrating, so there's a lot of those stickers throughout. And I love the I've got a sticker for that. I almost want to put that on my laptop. That is really, really cute. Now, if you are new to Krissyanne Designs, one of the things that I want to add are the type of pens and markers that will work on these sticker sheets. So the ones that I personally love to use are the Micro Perm 03. You're going to want to use a more permanent type of ink on these stickers because they are vinyl. So I like pens like the Micro Perm 03, the Sharpie permanent marker. This is also a favorite. I use this for years on Kristen's stickers. And then of course the Unipin pen, and you can get it over at Cloth and Paper and even over at Jet Pens, but this one also works really, really well on Krissyanne Designs stickers. Now, a few other things that I wanted to add is that you can actually get the refill kit for the Krissyanne Designs Celebrations collection. It is $115. It obviously would not include the binder, but that is another option for you as well. But personally, I think that getting it with the binder is definitely worth the value. Plus it has the 2021 Celebrations Collections sticker on the front, which I just think is just so cute. There will also be some new die cut stickers that are also going to be available when the Celebrations Collections launches, and they are the Steve die cuts set 1 and 2. I love these so much. They just have like all of the matching Steve stickers that you've seen in the binder, but obviously a much larger size. I love these. Last year I actually kept one of these on my external hard drive. It was just really, really cute, and now I'm trying to pick which which one I want to use. I love this pumpkin one. It's so cute. And you can honestly just decorate your planner with it, decorate different parts of your office with it, whatever you want to do. These are very cute and they're very durable because, again, they're made of that nice vinyl sticker. Here is what the other set looks like. I love these so much. This is so cute. And I kind of love this one, the one with the map. And of course, this one's my favorite, Planner Steve. But I love these, especially that one. That one's really cute too. That's me editing videos. And I love this one because it's in my favorite color. These are all just so cute. You could even include these with a birthday card to a friend or a family member. And I like this one. I love this one so much. That's me writing in my planner, by the way. All right, everyone, so that is it. Like I said in the beginning of this video, if you want to get that super awesome expedited fast pass shipping, you are going to want to be one of the first 150 people to check out over on the Krissyanne Designs website. I will be sure to leave a link on this video for exactly where you need to go. And if you want this free exclusive Planner Steve keychain, you are going to want to use that coupon code of Julie's Plans. And again, I'll be sure to leave all of that information down in the description of this video. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of this Celebrations collection. And if you are ordering, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what your favorite sheet was. Are you ordering today? I'm super, super excited. I'm even considering ordering a second one, but I'm trying to resist, but this is just so, so cute. And you guys know I use multiple planners. I'm gonna wanna use these in all of my planners. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button. If you have been around for a bit, make sure that you have your notifications on so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.